What's up, beautiful people? It's Bri and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we are going on a beach trip. I don't even know where I am. Don't ask me where we are. Where are we, babe? Outside somewhere in Portland Cottage. We're going to this nice beach. So I'll take you guys along with me and show you our little beach adventure day. We have cook coming with us to fry some fish. It's Easter, so you know we have the bun and cheese. We got chicken to make some maybe curry chicken while we're out there. It's just gonna be us on the beach and food vibes. I'm so excited. We have our drinks, our cooler. Yeah, just a nice little beach day on this lovely Easter holiday. Just showing you guys what we're doing, taking you guys along with us. Come on. Oh, look how cool. Fishing nets. You guys making your net? What is it, bend it up?
Yeah, bend it up.
Oh, bend it. Okay. Very cool. I'm too close. I have it. I'm holding it. No? What are you supposed to do with that? Cook it? Let me see. Let me see. You're just gonna hold it in? Secluded island. Wow.
Grab this stuff from Port Royal, then.
we're walking in this.
Photo shoot happening over here. Photo shoot settings. We have a swimmer over here. And we have a beach stroller over here. The water is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And we have a husband over here. Hey, boo. Where? Where? Oh, there, I see that now. Clear water. Stunning. This is a nice, beautiful day. Clear skies, except for a little bit of dark clouds somewhere over here. But
Papa, you must love some. Papa, you must love some.
okay, so we're taking a stroll on this beautiful beach island. We can go all the way around, but I don't think we're gonna do that. We're just going to take a walk. Right now, we are definitely in the Maldives. What do you think?
Maldives.
The Maldives. This is Maldives, but in Jamaica. This is amazing. I did not know this exists. Oh, look, sea urchins all up in this. That's why you have to stay away from the rocks and only go where there is clear sand. Wow, look at all the sea urchins. Whoa. Yeah. So, this is where we are today. Enjoying a beautiful day.
And we have kept the mats.
And then we have Captain Max enjoying the views of today. We'll take our map so we can see. Now let's just dive in the water. What do you guys have? Service? Oh my gosh! This is so cool. Can I hold one? Wait, how do you do it though? How don't sting me?
The bottom. Hold the bottom, it's like a rock.
There's a big one over there. So.
Oh my god. Hello, little buddy. Little water.
Is it like wrapping around your hand a little?
This is so cool.
Suppose you grab onto your hand.
Okay, a little water for the guy. How about, do I just drop it? Can I just drop him?
No, just take time.
Yeah.
Little guy. Watch it. Look. This one is huge. Are you kidding? Can't take
Pick up
off.
that one.
No, sir.
You do it. I will do it.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, here we go. It's actually so spongy.
It's spongy?
Yeah.
Don't think it's a big one.
Let me feel it, bottom of it. Why is it spongy?
Pull it fast because I'm about to.
Alright, you can put it back. I'm scared.
It's getting hot. Okay.
That's pretty cool, guys.
Right?
Starfish, starfish.
Okay, let's see.
If you step on it, it's gonna hurt.
It hurt, right?
yeah.
Because it's prickly.
Feel like a rock.
Babe, just hold it this way. Don't touch it on the other side. It's like a rock. He's not a fan. Alright, let's wet him up. So let's put him back in the water. Fish.
I should have about 9 o'clock now, don't you?
9 a.m., right? It should be 9 a.m. for you.
Agreed.
We're now waiting on some fried fish.
Yes. Curry chicken.
And what? Curry chicken. How that say?
Wait, let me tell you. You took a bite already?
You took a bite? Yeah. How is it? How is it? Get that first bite.
Young boy.
What is this? Talk to me about this.
Same thing. I'm tell yourself I breed them to know that.
What's it? I think I've seen it before.
You literally don't.
I've seen it before.
You rabbit? Yeah, man. We asked me what is. We are sure at age.
Wow.
This name Sex on the Beach.
Nice. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Wow. Look at this man-made fire.
Yeah, they're
Chef?
from Mumbai.
Nice. So let's see the final product now. Where is it? Nice. We have the escovitch. See? So the pots. Oh, Mr. Cup action. Alright. Yeah. Oh, this is so good. Are you kidding? Coming over there. Another fire spot?
Yeah, man.
No, how the smoke already happening? This is what you do?
Put fire underneath.
Like lighter?
No,
What?
fire.
Oh. Where? You guys, who want to move in? Honestly. Curry chicken? Lord jeez. Rolling out of here. Say it again.
You can't even say you trust your countryman husband.
Of course I trust you. This is such a good life. Look at how him introduced me to all these nice.
See, man, get the fire there. Lazy.
Okay. Make fire with foot. It's nice. How that say? Oh, the festival you not even give me peace.
Where's the one there? Nice.
It's like a fish cake. Oh, this is it before it's cooked. It's like a shell. Look at this. This whole time come from shell? From seashell? Oh.
I was trying to run away.
Wow.
Run, brother, run. One of them was trying to run away. So much you find, give one glass and look food.
If you have one glass, you pick up more. If you have one glass,
This
you
is
pick
how
up
it comes
more.
out?
One of the things that comes with a smaller thing. Away pride.
That string something?
Pride, nothing.
Okay, we're playing a little game.
Whoever gets here first, then goes to the car.
It's a race to these cards. Babe, you don't listen. No, he did not say go.
On your mark.
Robert, she said on your mark, get set. False start. False start. Go to the card now and let's see. Pick a card. Pick the card at the top.
Yeah, come on.
Let me,
No, the running wicked.
So Saf, take up a card too. Yeah, here.
A big trouble is in a summer. No man, I don't see what they put my.
Let me see. Let me see what's on your card. Alright, so his card look more fun. Your card more fun? Let me see your card.
Wait, no.
Man, out of breath.
You want to be ready for you? Alright. Reveal to Alicia can't get here. Reveal to everyone how many people you have slept with. Our 4 drinks. Our 4 drinks. If you want
4 drinks?
yeah.
4 shots? Alright, let's have that since we're driving.
Finish your drink.
If anybody can know?
If anyone calls bullshit on you, you have to finish it. Anyway, take it me off because somebody pour me a drink there.
2 shots of Remy. 2 shots of Remy.
Anyway, take it.
Where's the Remy?
I miss a tree. I'll be a drinking, no. Now watch Alicia.
Do what it do.
Hold him for tea. What tea? Yeah, tea.
It's put somewhere down there and then it like copies or something like that.
The Grizzly. World record holder. How does it feel? Huh? Hearing from the man himself. Dr. Smith. How is it looking? Is it serious? Is it a life-threatening or career-threatening injury?
Yes, we
Do you think you'll be back?
We have to rest him for the rest of the season.
You came out the block so fast. Huh?
You came on the block so fast. And we're gone! That is the end of a beautiful day. We're headed back with the sunset in the back. Wow. We all look burnt and crisp. Let's see if you can see. Oh, look at that tan! Wow. Let me see yours. Wow. Oh my days. You see it? She didn't know it was that bad. That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.